You guys, I just had the weirdest eBay return ever. We're gonna be doing a mystery unboxing. And now I know that when most people do mystery unboxings, it's like this exciting thing where you buy something crazy online. For me, we're just gonna see what I get back because I'm thinking like, what on earth happened? So I want you guys to check out this clip of when I found this thing. This is one of those things that I see and I cannot leave behind. I don't even know what somebody does with something like this. It is an entire crocodile. What I want you to note more than anything is the way that I treat this item. Oh my gosh, it's huge. And it kind of scares me. I threw it a couple of times. I may have kicked it. I may have stepped on it. Have you ever like had a bug in your hand? It's so cute, this little bug. And then you like see something about the face, like these things, and you just immediately freak out. That's what this crocodile skin did for me multiple times. That's life. Sometimes you get scared of things. Case in point, it's this insanely thick, incredibly durable leather crocodile skin. It just doesn't break. That's not the way things work. What does somebody do with a crocodile skin? She got it. She leaves great feedback, she loves it, it's such a cool piece, she's really excited, and then several weeks later I get another message from her talking about how she tried to wipe it down with a paper towel and it fell apart into multiple pieces. I threw this across the room at least 6 different times. I highly doubt that you attempting to wipe it with a paper towel made it fall apart into multiple pieces. So this just got back today and we're gonna be doing a mystery unboxing. We're gonna see what we get in this crazy package. You guys, I don't know what to expect. What I do know is nothing makes sense with this. So we're gonna just see what we get. Already there's a weird smell. If any of you know why this would smell like chili powder, let me know, because I know it didn't smell like chili powder when I sent it out. Ugh, it looks super scary. Okay, here's one of the arms. That is an arm of the crocodile. So it is in pieces. I know it wasn't in pieces when I sent it, but it sure is in pieces now. Listen to this, you guys. This is me dropping it on the floor. No. Oh. Ah! No, no. You guys, it's covered in mold. I don't know what this is. It's another piece. There's the back of it. It's also covered in like a weird mold. Oh my gosh, look at that. What did she do with this? Here's the tail. Here's the tail. No, it doesn't even bend anymore. Ah! What? There's like a cloud of dust. You guys, did she put anthrax in this? Are you seeing this dust? What did she do to this thing? This is clearly not the way that this was sent. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm gonna give it a moment and then we'll revisit. A paper towel did not do this. It's literally 10 times scarier than it was when I sent it. There's pieces everywhere. Look at all this. Oh, there's the tail. Just a crocodile tail laying on the floor. I mean, I never thought that in all these years I'd have like crocodile pieces all over the floor and oh my gosh. No, 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 no. It needs to go back in the box. That's like the hand. Look at all this. Like, who has tiny crocodile pieces all over their floor that they have to deal with? I need you guys to leave me some comments and let me know what you think happened to this thing, because this is obviously not the same thing that I shipped to her. I mean, it is the same thing, but it's also like, what did she do to it? Why am I in this place in my life right now? I'm super excited to read your guys' responses, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.